Alright. That's a good intro. What up, guys? We're back. Another twisty day. We stopped at Buc-ee's to get an energy drink and to get some gas. So we got a lot of it's so cool, man. I love owning a sports bike. We got a lot of looks and compliments. People were taking pictures of our bikes and stuff. It's such a good feeling knowing that all the hard work has paid off. There goes Buc-ee's. On to our journey. Look at that. Everyone's out today. It's a beautiful day. I'm so ready, dude. It is windy as hell. Like, look, I'm sideways. I feel like I'm freaking cornering on a straight. This should be a fun day, though. I love these views, man. These back roads are growing on me more and more, and I prefer them over the highway. Oh, the feeling of leaning over. Oh. Oh. My fairing just fucking flew off.
Why did that one rip off? It Did you lose a part of it? Because what is this supposed to connect to? So this broke.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna have to get fairings.
What the fuck? Hold on. I'll send you like a pin. You know when you go down 290 and you can take the off ramp and go to Prairie View? We're like 5 minutes from the highway. No, we're by Prairie View, which is like 5 more minutes past Bucky's.
Dude, I'm just fucking glad it was that. I'm not even mad because that could have ended so much worse.
Yeah, no, as long as you're good, I don't care about the ride.
I was literally mid-corner, and then I just feel something smack my leg.
I thought, because when I saw you way behind me, I was like, that's not like him. And then I couldn't tell what you were pointing at, but I thought like your fork seals were leaking because you mentioned
Yeah. Yeah, no, dude. I don't... Tell him to bring a drill and a drill bit.
A drill and a drill bit?
Because I don't give a fuck about these fairings anyways.
Hold on. I don't really want to put my helmet down because that signals we're like in distress, but I'll just hide it.
Alrighty guys, well yeah, that happened. We did a temporary fix. Hopefully it'll last through the rest of the twisties. As you can see here, I don't know if y'all can see it from here. I zip tied it right here. It broke loose from like the bracket that connects to the radiator, so I fixed that, and then that screw down there came out, so I put zip ties through there and I ran one across through the other fairing. So yeah, it like completely cracked right here. It cracked and it broke like all the brackets. So new fairings, here I come. But yeah, hopefully she lasts. We're gonna continue our twisty journey. I did a test ride over there, and it seemed to be holding up pretty fine. I mean, it's wiggly, but I mean, like, I'm yanking on it, and we'll find out. So it's so fucking windy. I'm so paranoid now. I am gonna take it a little bit slow. it's throwing me off a little bit.
Woo, that's fun.
It's definitely throwing me off.
Huh?
It's definitely throwing me off.
It's messing up?
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't feel 100%,
I don't feel 100%.
I don't want you to hit the twisties though. Hey, you look good though.
Can you see it on camera? That's the question.
Bro,
Yeah, I'm probably gonna end it here. I'm calling it quits. I'd rather be safe than sorry, man.